Hey everyone, welcome back to the Digital Growth channel, your go-to spot for all things digital marketing, web tools, and smart business growth solutions. If you are tired of messy appointment scheduling and want a sleek, powerful solution right on your website, then you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the Amelia Booking Appointment Plugin, a clean, user-friendly tool that helps businesses streamline appointments, accept payments, and manage bookings all from your WordPress site. Whether you are a coach, clinic, salon, agency, or anything in between, stick with me till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how to install, set up, and run Amelia like a pro. Let's make it super simple and easy step by step. Let's get started. As you can see in this video, I fill up this form and I got the confirmation email very fast. So before we jump into the tech stuff, let's know about what is Amelia. Amelia is a WordPress appointment booking plugin that allows 24/7 automated booking, employee and service management, Google Calendar sync, Zoom integration, WooCommerce and PayPal support. Also, it's super flexible and perfect for solopreneurs for all teams. And the best part, it looks professional out of the box, no coding needed. So go to this website. I will put this link in the description. So go to this website and click on pricing. You will able to see the price of this plugin. So purchase one. Or if you want this plugin for free, subscribe this channel and hit a like button. Then comment below that and put your Gmail. I will send you the plugin on your email. So go to your WordPress dashboard and upload your plugin. And click install now. And when it's installed, click activate. You will see the Amelia is activated successfully. So don't forget to put your email in the comment box below so that I can send the plugin on your email. So go to Amelia plugin and you will see the interface of this plugin. It's a dashboard. It's totally neat and clean. And you can see the other options. So I will go to settings for the basic settings setup. Click on general. You can see the general option. You can change the setting according to your plan, according to your business. So click on company and put your company logo or picture here. And put your company name, address, website, phone number, and email. It will show you on your form. So click save. Then click on notification settings and put your sender mail here. You can use your administration email from the WordPress backend. Now put your working hours. You can also put the off days. Click on the payment. You will able to see the payments options. You will able to see the PayPal, Stripe. If you enable this, put the client info, then the payment will be activated. If you want to see the how can set up this payment, comment below. So in the next part, I will show you the payment set. So go to the employees to create your employee. Create your employee profile. It's super simple and easy. So you can create the position of your employee and put your short description here. click save. You can put your all employees details here. Now click on service and click add category. Create a category. So I will name this category is social work. And in this category, create services. What kind of service you provide? So put your service name. I name here the volunteering. Select the category and put your description also. And choose the duration. How much time you want to spend? The 1 hour, 150. You can put your price here also. So I will, as I provide this consultation free, so I'll make it 0 and click save. Our service is ready. So now go to WordPress and create a section here. Put shortcode. Search. You can also search here for shortcode and drag and drop and paste this shortcode here. You will get this shortcode in the description below and change the shortcode last number according to your service. So in here, I will change it to 1 and click save. So let's preview it. It's showing like this. And select the date and time and click continue. Fill up this form. Our booking is complete. If you check your mail, you will get a approved confirmation email from Amelia. If you want to customize your form, then you can customize it from the customization section from Amelia. So I will customize my form like this. So from my side, everything is, if this design is okay. So I will, if you want to choose anything or change any information, you can change it from the right side. So I will implement it on my website. So go to website and search for Emily. And the first one, yeah, this one, drag and drop it here and click publish. Our plugin will be activated and it looks like more professional than previous one. So choose a date, choose time. It's your working hour. Put your information here. And yes, it's complete. Okay. Now I will show you from my website that I will choose my services. I will choose the conversion tracking and click continue. Then I will choose a date and time. Then I will fill up with my valid Gmail. Then click on finish. And then I will check my inbox. Boom. I got the mail. It's very fast. And you see, the mail looks like professional. And I also include my signature. So if you have question that where you can change it from notification. Here you can change it, the approve, appointment approved, the pending, the rejections to customer. Okay. If you choose to an employee, you can change it. Everything is customizable. You can also connect the WhatsApp, SMS, everything. So the dashboard will look like this when the appointment will approve. You get an appointment, you approve this at their appointment, you cancel the appointment, everything you can see from your dashboard. So yeah, make sure the email looks like professional and attractive because this email shown to your customer or your client. If you click on finance, you will see how much you earned from the appointment. When you approved the payment, it will show the paid. If you click on customers, you can see the list of your customer. If you click on appointments, you can see your recent appointments like pending appointments, approval appointments. If you click here, pending to approved, your appointment will be approved and get notified to your client. So I'll click it to approve. Yes, it's successfully approved. If you click on calendar, you will see your schedule, your meeting list here, and with time. It's a fantastic appointment booking tool. So if you need this plugin, comment below with your Gmail and subscribe and hit a like button. I will send you this plugin to your email. And that's it. You have now got a fully functioning appointment booking system on your WordPress site using Amelia. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification button. We have got more step-by-step tutorials, WordPress hacks, and business tools coming your way. Drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to cover the pro version of Amelia in a future video. If you have any kind of questions, let me know. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.